I think maybe then the next logical step, if we're sort of taking steps into being more sustainability in your building, is simulating the data. And the phrase, I don't really like this phrase, digital twins, right? It can mean so many things. It's such a broad stroke to say digital twins, but if we can simulate the building materials before construction starts and see its impact on the comfort and the energy requirements of that building, anything down to the heat absorption of certain materials, the comfort levels of sound absorption that your materials are using, or all of this data that you can run through simulation, work out the best possible materials before you design, and even down to supply and construction practices, is what digital twins can capture. Like, well, if I use these materials, what's the supply chain of those materials, and how does that impact the carbon footprint? But even with retrofitting, you can start trialing things out with decisions based on these digital models. And I think it's obviously easier for a brand new building because you can simulate the whole thing. But we can look at older buildings and simulate people in the building, simulate the how much energy consumption you'll save by making certain decisions without having to physically do that.